Hello to all of my dear friends, I hope you're doing great and feeling well. Welcome back to one more video from Hyperpix. And in this video I'm going to show you how to work with one more of our products, which is the 80s text effects for the lovers of these types of styles. And like all of our other products, it also works brilliant in all the other languages. This is how it works on Japanese. The result is fantastic, and also on any logo you like you can have this style, which honestly is magnificent, and you can take your customers and clients to the 80s decade and just bring the memories up. Honestly, those days was brilliant and the designs was lovely, so we decided to just create a collection for 80s products for the lovers of those styles, and we could take them today. So if you like this product, just read hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership and access this product and all the other styles. Before you watch the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and follow me to the end of this video. To get started, you just need to right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. So in the window which appears right here, you just need to double click and type your ideal text just as you see. So I can just make a gap between the characters, change the font, and with a double click on this icon you can just drag the pattern inside your text. I'm just going to drag it towards up a little. I think everything's perfect. Text is in the center as well. There's nothing else needed to do. You can also change the font if you like. I'm just going to close and click save. So as you see how easy our style is applied. So I'm just going to get on with the rest of the layers. We have the adjustments folder, which is created from 4 different styles. The contrast and the color settings, which by moving around each one of these options you can get some totally new colors depending to your project and to your likings. So the next part is the inner shadow around the style, which is vignette, which you can just increase or decrease the opacity. So noise on and noise off is one more section, which is in all of our 80s styles. If you don't like the noise, just to switch off noise on and instead switch on noise off. As you see, there's no more noise in the style. I'm just going to switch it back on. As you see, the noise is back. As I told you earlier on, the noise is to give that 80s days feelings, as those days products had this noise, so designers have placed it here for you. The next group is the sparkles in the scene, which are in most of our styles that make the text look beautiful. You just need to select them one by one and place them on the white patches and white parts of your style, which gives a brilliant light reflection, and I think it's fantastic, and it makes your text so much more beautiful. So carry on. Do not take the time of the video. I'm just going to remove the rest of the sparkles, which you see has a huge effect when you remove them. So try to have a little patience and place them in the right place. The next part is these 2 flares, which we have right here, which their job is just like the sparkles, but they just give the a light horizontal, which you can just keep them or just delete them. The next group is the text at the top right here, which you can just edit it or move it around, place it wherever you want. The distance, the gap, the fonts, and everything else. The next part is this text, which you have right here, which with a double click you can just edit and change the text. As you see, I'm just going to rotate a little. I think it's right. I just transform it right here, and I think it's excellent. So the next part is the highlights, which you see this highlight on our style and our text. We have the effects, which is the main style of our text, just to ignore it because it can just make a little disorder as it's very complicated. The next part is the background design. We have this planet right here. We have the colors at the bottom right here, which we have placed it for you, which you can change them. The option is there for you, and it's so interesting. And finally, we have the main color in the background, which you can also edit, change it. You can just make it a little more bright or dark, which you're totally free in doing anything. So we're done with the text now. I'm going to try it on the logo and see how we can turn the logo into the style. It's so easy. We come to this window and insert our logo. I decided to use Netflix logo, so I drag it, insert it right here, right in the center, and all you need to do right here is to just click on this icon and drag and drop into this icon. So as you see, our style is applied. We don't need this layer anymore. We just double click on this icon, and in pattern overlay, we just place the pattern right in the middle. I'm just going to put the scale on 150, a little larger. I think it's perfect right here. So there's nothing else needed to do. We just close and click save and wait a moment till our style is applied. So as beautiful as you see, our style is applied. All you need to do is just place the sparkles in the right place, set the text. I'm finally going to get to this magnificent result which I have finished earlier on. So thanks for watching this video, thanks for your consideration. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video. If you like this product, just put hyperpixels.net, get the VIP membership, and have an access to this product and all the others. I hope you're doing great. Bye till next video.